Hello viewers, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I show you how to see your Reels watch history on Facebook. For that you have to open your Chrome browser and log in Facebook account. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon and then settings and privacy. Settings, left side, scroll down, activity log, and scroll down again, activity history, tap on this. Okay, now shown here my Reels watch video and date and time, and this is how you can do it. Check your Reels watch history on Facebook. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for next video.